What's going on, guys? What's going on? We are live. A little bit of a later night stream. How's everybody doing, man? How's everybody doing? Give you guys a couple of minutes to kind of pour on into the chat as we do. Yeah. So, what's going on, everybody? What is going on? Let's get into it here. See what the chat's saying. KK, Cryptonomy Finance rugged. Not even a web page anymore. Gone. Oof. Let's have a look. Let's pull it up. Starting off with a rug. It's a good night. It's a good night. What's it called? Cryptonomy? Oops. Nothing. Let's check out Coin Market Cap. I got nothing. Let's check Dex Tools. Nope, nothing. I got nothing. Looks like we have a liquidity pool here. Let's check it out. No data here. Oh, looks like I can't pull it up, man. I tried. What was the ticker of that, KK? Isaac, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Wes in the house. What's up, man? What's up? Shane, what's going on, brother? Boomer's in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Max rugged us again, eh? Scammed us. Nacho, what's up, man? Hey, everyone. How's it going? It's going good, man. It's going good. Yo. That's me, brother. That's me. Hey, Boomer, love the name. Yeah. Juicy Jasmy, 100%. I took out 5G from my 401k. Put some on Swift. Now I have a million Swift and 600k on XCN. Making some moves. Nice. Getting ready for that bull run fever, man. I dig it, brother. Very, very nice. Bought another $1,000 of Jasmi yesterday. Let's go. Nice. Love to see it, man. Lily's in the house. What's up, Lily? Good to see you. Funky, what's up, buddy? What's up? Isaac, feels good to be a part of the community and people who all have a common goal. Exactly, man. Like-minded community, no toxic people. All we do is win, baby. All we do is win. JJ, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Nacho, damn right, Isaac. We want to be financially free. Yes, exactly. Rickaroo's in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you. Simon, what's up, Rob? Hope you're doing well. Excited to hear the Jasmy news for today. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Max always rugs us now. Yet we keep coming back because we love them. Got me 1K of Ondo today. Took from BTC. Got a disclaimer on Coinbase when they did the convert. Only time I ever got that message. I don't use Coinbase, so I couldn't tell you, brother. Good morning. We are Jasmy. My name is Jasmy from Kuwait. Yes, we are. I am Jasmy. We're all Jasmy. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. We're going to steal that phrase and we're going to use it for ourselves because he doesn't use it right anyway. So it's ours. We're taking it. We're taking it. That's what we do here. We just take, right? We take and we win. That's all we do. All right. What else do we got? Matt's in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Elizabeth, we are live and early. Absolutely. What else do we got? Macro Dips in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. All right. Well, the gang is all here, man. Good to see you. Let me make sure we're live over on X. Yeah, we are live on X. Thank you so much for watching over on X, guys. Got more people signed up on the Patreon today, guys. Listen, I uploaded my portfolio video today showing my portfolio and stuff. So if you want to check that out, then jump on over to the Patreon, guys, and check that out. It's getting a lot of good reviews, man. People seem to be loving it. So check that out. Jasmy Paradox, what's up, man? Good to see you. Love the picture, man. Love the picture. Junior, good morning, Rob Father, the Jasmy fan. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Doing good. Feeling good. Need Jasmy to break out somewhat soon to prove my entire family wrong on crypto. That's what it's about at the end of the day. Screw the money. We just want to prove everybody wrong, right? Jasmy Disciple present. Nice. Love it. Absolutely love it. Yo, Rob, I accepted the invite in the Discord. We will talk strategy another day soon. Be careful, Isaac. I don't think that's me. I did not send anything yet, but I will send one right now to you, okay? So that you know it's me sending it now. I'm going to send you just a little message. There. I sent you a little message, Isaac, just so you know which me you're talking to. All I said was, what's up, bro? So there's lots of scammers who like to impersonate me over on the Discord, so you got to be careful, guys, right? Got to be careful. Good morning, guys. Good to see you all. Yes, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in this world. Hope you're having a good day anyways. So, yeah. All right, guys, what else are we doing? Let's talk some, so what do you guys want to talk about? Huh? What do you guys want to talk about? Getting married next year. Jasmy bags are loaded. Nice. Jasmy's going to pay for your wedding, brother. Congratulations on that. Absolutely amazing to hear that, man. Very, very happy for you. And yeah, so I mean, getting married. Do you know what this means? Do you know what it means? Let me tell you, as a married man, what it means, my friend. Okay, it means you're never gonna have sex again. Okay, so get comfortable with that. I'm just messing with you, man. I'm just messing with you. Market's looking pretty good, guys. A little bit of a green day. XCN's having a pump, which sucks because I want to buy a whole bunch of it tomorrow. So, yeah. Near, up. Stronghold's looking good. What else do we got? Mobile's pumping. Mobile's pumping nice. BTC, a little bit of green, 64.4. Miria, a little bit of a mixed bag, guys. Nothing really special. I'd like to see a dump on XCN tomorrow because I planned on buying a couple 100,000 tokens tomorrow, but we'll have to play it by ear, right, guys? We'll have to play it by ear. Let's get into some of the news, guys. Let's have a look at what's going on in the market. We'll get back to the chat in a little bit. All right, so what do we got? Morgan Stanley may allow its 15,000 brokers to recommend Bitcoin ETFs to their clients Gradually, then suddenly, right? This is what adoption looks like, guys. This is what adoption looks like. Get used to it, get comfortable. And yeah, what else do we got? Have a brief look around the market, guys. AK says, to emphasize, for the last jump of 2 cents 6, Hara said, quote, hitting $1 billion market cap was our/my first target and done, meaning the retail ones can do nothing but to wait and enjoy the show. Put all charts on trash. None ever work. It's true. As someone who reads the charts on a regular basis, guys, I can tell you, hey, it's a crapshoot, guys. It really is, because you can't get, especially right now, right? Right now, what we have going on is we have so much FUD and negativity flying around. But that's a good thing, because we're getting it out of the way, guys. It usually gets dumpiest before it gets pumpiest, right? So, it seems like there's so much negativity flying around. Only in the U.S., though, there's so much positivity outside the U.S., but in the U.S., it's just like, So I don't know what to tell you. Good old United States of America, crapping on the little guy again and again. Check it out, guys. So I covered this in this morning's live stream, and I made a dedicated video to it, because I broke it down in a dedicated video, but I just want to pull off a quote from what Jangshin wrote earlier today. It says, Jasmi has already partnered with many Web2 companies, jointly developed products, and implemented application operations on commercial levels. Our patented technology and innovative initiatives have led to a number of partnerships with unparalleled large companies, and potential business expansion is consistently taking place behind the scenes. While making the most of this background, over the past year Jangshin has existed, we've attracted a number of high-profile companies in our industry and global marketplace. Very, very bullish, guys. More partnerships to come, guys. More partnerships to come. What else do we got? See, this is a precursor to the video that I made, guys. Little hint here, right? So Jangshin says, excited to share details about Jasmi's incubated program. Discover Jangshin's perspective on the AI-focused blockchain and the decentralized GPU market. I did a breakdown of this video, guys, so keep an eye out for it. I think it's out tomorrow, so keep an eye out for it, right? It's a very long piece, and I broke it down, and I took out the key points you guys should be paying attention to in the video, so make sure you watch it. Because I know people are going to ask me questions without watching the video, and then they're going to ask me questions that I've answered in the video. It happens all the time. So, all right. So what else do we got? Consensys sues the SEC over unlawful seizure of authority over Ethereum, which is funny, because I think it was the day before yesterday I covered another story that the Blockchain Association, in partnership with the Texas Crypto Alliance, filed a lawsuit against the SEC as well for overreach. So this is two big entities filing lawsuits against the SEC in as many days, right? At what point does this circus stop? You have to ask yourself, right? When does someone step in and say, holy crap, Gary, you're getting sued all over the place, man. You're not even launching the lawsuits anymore. Everyone else is suing you, and you're losing, right? Fire this man. He's wasting taxpayer money on frivolous lawsuits. He's not even attacking anymore. Now he's being sued by people, and he's using your tax money to defend himself, right? It's absurd. It's absurd at this point. Can I get an amen? Right? So let's talk about it, guys. Let's talk about it. Ethereum's developer, Consensys, has filed a lawsuit against the US SEC, striking back against what the company calls an unlawful seizure of authority over Ethereum by the federal regulators. The company wants a federal court to declare that ETH is not a security. Any investigation of Consensys based on the idea that ETH is a security would violate the company's Fifth Amendment rights and the Administrative Procedures Act. That MetaMask is not a broker under federal law, that MetaMask's staking service does not violate securities law, and an injunction against the SEC investigating or bringing an enforcement action tied to MetaMask's swaps or staking functions. In the complaint filed Thursday against the SEC, and all 5 of its commissioners, they named all 5 commissioners in the lawsuit too. Interesting. Little swerve there, kind of like the SEC named Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson in their lawsuit as individuals as well. Very, very interesting. Little bit of a little taste of their own medicine there, So Consensys revealed it received a Wells notice from the SEC on April 10th, indicating its intention to bring an enforcement action against the company for violating securities laws via its MetaMask wallet product. Consensys denies that it acts as a broker, stating that the wallet is simply an interface and neither holds customers' digital assets nor carries out any transaction functions. It's just some software. That's all it is. You're suing software, bro. Would you like to sue my empty cup of water too? The complaint adds that the SEC encroaching authority over Ethereum goes against its own past statements that the cryptocurrency is a commodity, not a security, citing former director Bill Hinman's 2018 speech, as well as the SEC's sister regulatory agency, the Commodities Future Trading Commission, CFTC, own authority over Ethereum, which oversees derivative products tied to Ether. In its suit, Consensys claims that it built its business against the backdrop of this regulatory consensus and the SEC's new grab for power when it calls an about face over Ethereum would therefore violate the constitutional requirements of fair notice under the Due Process Clause. The SEC's unlawful seizure of authority over Ethereum would spell disaster for the Ethereum network and for Consensys, the suit claims. A representative for the SEC declined to comment on the suit. The suit also leans on a major questions doctrine, the Supreme Court ruling barring federal regulators from dramatically exceeding the scope of the congressional mandates. 2 judges have already rejected the idea that crypto falls under the doctrine during arguments brought by Terraform Labs and Coinbase. Consensys filed the suit in a that was a funky little jump. Consensys filed the suit in the district court for the Northern District of Texas, joining groups like the Blockchain Association and companies like Legit Exchange, which filed similar preemptive suits seeking to block the SEC from treating certain crypto companies or assets as securities. In recent months, the SEC has also brought suits against crypto exchanges like Binance US, Binance, and Kraken. Uniswap Labs revealed earlier this month it had also received a Wells notice from the regulator. So the crypto industry is now just going on the attack. They're saying, screw this guy. Let's sue him into oblivion. Let's all sue Gary till he gets fired. And then we can get someone like Hester Pearson there who can run this shit show properly, right? And we can actually make some progress in terms of American innovation in the digital asset space. How's that sound? Pretty good? Pretty good. All right, moving along. What else is going on? Well, let's have a little gander. Let's have a little sneaky surprise here, right? XRP could reach $4 by September. Crypto analyst. Let's find out. Just recently, the XRP coin's trading price had shown signs of volatility as the cost of the XRP token is way below the price averages of last month. Yet some others consider the XRP price to rise anyway and point out possible options for a bullish target to be achieved. One of the forecasters, eGrad Crypto, said that XRP might reach a range of $1.20 to $1.80 by June or July. This expectation is governed by past trends and technical indicators. Some crypto analysts claim that XRP would follow a pattern very similar to the one seen in 2021. A more bullish view of the future sees the price topping the current all-time high of $4 by the end of September. This forecast relies on Ripple following the same pattern as 2021 along with technical alignments. Ultimately, even though the cryptocurrency market as a whole is seeking negative market sentiment, a chart specialist says that XRP could be about to surge in upcoming months. It is uncertain if the outcome will be based upon variables such as historical patterns, technical indicators, and a legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC. So we'll see what happens, guys. It certainly would be in line if we have we're supposed to have, by all indications, based on previous cycles, usually about 6 months after the halving, I've said this 100 times now, Bitcoin is usually doubled in price, right? So that would have Bitcoin by October being somewhere around $128,000. If that's the case, then it would be in line with XRP being about $1.20 to $1.80 in that time, because the alts will be dragged up with Bitcoin. And then we'll start to see that blow off top. Moving into next year, probably could see, like I said, I'm targeting $7 to $13 for XRP by the end of it, but we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. We got more news, guys. We got more news. Like I said, guys, I'm seeing a lot of people calling for higher prices on Bitcoin. So I have two stories for you here, okay? I have a bearish scenario and a bullish scenario for you guys. Two different articles. We're going to see what you guys think about it. First, we obviously have the bearish. So Bitcoin price turns red and at risk of more downside below 63K. I'll let you guys know ahead of time. I personally think we're going to see about a 59K Bitcoin for the next move. Now, am I always right? Absolutely not, but I digress. That's where I think things are going. I'm keeping dry powder on the side just in case, right? So let's see what they have to say. Bitcoin price failed to recover above the 65.5 resistance. BTC is again moving lower, and there is a risk of more downside below 63K. Bitcoin's price started a recovery wave from 62,700 support zone. BTC was able to climb above 64K and 64.5 resistance levels. However, the price failed to clear the 65.5 resistance zone. A high was formed at 65.3, and the price started another decline. This was a move below the 64.5 level. The price tested the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the recovery wave from 62.7 swing low and 65.3. Bitcoin is now trading below 64.5. Wait, let me just see if it is still. Yes, it is. It's 64.4. So trading below 65.5. And the 100 hourly simple moving average, there is also connecting bearish trend lines forming with resistance at 64.5 on the hourly chart of BTC. Immediate resistance is near the 64.5 level, which we're kind of banging our heads on right now, guys. The first major resistance could be 65.3 or 65.5. A clear move above 65.5 resistance might send the price higher. The next resistance now sits at 66.2. If there's a clear move above 66.2 resistance zone, the price could continue to move up. In the stated case, the price could rise towards 67K. The next major resistance is near the 67.4 zone. Any more gains might send Bitcoin towards 68.8 resistance zone in the near term. So a lot of resistance above us right now. If it fails to rise above 64.5 resistance zone, it could continue to move down. Immediate support on the downside is near 64K level. The first major support is 63.7 or the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level of the recovery wave from 62.7 swing low to 65.3 high. If there is a close below 63.7, the price could start to drop towards 62.7. Any more losses might send the price towards the 61.2 support zone. So here's what I think is going to happen, guys. I think Grayscale is going to dump on us over the next couple of days, and we're going to see that 59K level. That's what I think is going to happen. I am ready to pounce with money if it does. And I'm going to pounce all over it, guys. I'm going to pounce all over it. I think that's what's going to happen. I think the charts, you can basically crumple, yeet. You can just yeet those out the window because as long as Grayscale's dumping on us, charts don't mean shit, right? People keep asking me about the charts. I keep showing you guys, but at the end of the day, as long as Grayscale keeps dumping on us, charts don't mean crumple, yeet. That's what I'm saying, right? So now we got the bullish scenario, guys. Let's check out the bullish scenario. Let me know what you guys think. I'm leaning to the bearish scenario, but Bitcoin accumulating on course of breaking 74K despite bear scare and analysts. So the market is in disarray, right? There is no consensus on which direction it seems that the market's going to go right now, which is a bad time to be day trading and leverage trading, guys. So if you have leverage trading going right now, it might not be the best time to be doing that, right? Just a warning. So Bitcoin remains shaky when writing down 13% from the all-time highs. However, despite the short-term uncertainty, one analyst on X remains bullish on the world's most valuable coin, citing current developments from the technical perspectives. Taking to X, the analyst believes Bitcoin might be forming a Wyckoff reaccumulation pattern on the daily chart, which means the coin could consolidate in a trading range before capitulating higher in the days ahead. Technically, the Wyckoff reaccumulation pattern identifies a phase when it is assumed that a big player, primarily whales, are quietly buying at a discount price. Price action remains muted and inside the defined range whenever they do this. Whenever they do this, Say that 3 times fast. They do this. Currently, Bitcoin's prices are inside the zone marked by support at 60,000 on the lower end and all-time highs around 74K on the upper end. Though the momentum remains bullish, Bull's failure to edge higher or dump below the psychological level suggests that some big players might be deliberately keeping the price at spot rates. This preview considers the failure of bears to confirm losses of April 13th. Even though BTC prices are still trapped inside this bear bar, it is clear that bulls flew back to support prices. The only time sellers will be in control is if the price collapses below April 13th lows at 60,000. At the back of increasing volume, as it is, buyers have a chance and are trading inside the broad range capped at 73.8. Though optimism exists, the leg up would be sparked by technical, but most fundamental factors following last week's halving on April 20th.
The network's daily emissions have decreased by 50%. With a reduced supply, the resulting scarcity could drive prices higher, assuming demand remains. However, whether this spike will occur in the next weeks or months remains to be seen. Once halving occurs, Bitcoin usually breaks previous all-time highs. In the case of 73.8, if the historical printout is respected, BTC could soar to all-time highs by the end of the year. Here's what I see happening, guys. I showed you guys, based on the 2017 charts, that Bitcoin had a 38% dump about 2 weeks after the halving, right? We've already dumped about 20-ish%, give or take. I think we're going to dump another 20-ish% in the upcoming, I don't know, week and a half or so, right? I think we're going to have that dramatic shakeout. However, now follow me on this. I think we're going to V-shape recovery out of it, just like we did in 2017, right? For a couple of reasons. One, people are going to buy it up no matter what. But two, around that time, okay, around the time we should V-shape recovery. So if we drop in about, I don't know, a week and a half, let's say, right? Closer, a couple days into May, right? Let's let's pick a date, May 5th, okay? Let's say May 4th, May 5th, we have that 20% correction over the course of 2 or 3 days, okay? And then we get a V-shaped recovery. Why? Well, for one, people buy it up. But for two, well, the inflows for Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs will take hold a couple of weeks after that, about a week and a half to 2 weeks after that. And we'll start to see massive inflows from Hong Kong and mainland China on the ETFs. So I think we're going to dump, and then we're going to shake some people out. And these ETFs are going to kick in just in time to see a V-shaped recovery in the market, spending the rest of the year in an upward trajectory, slowly but certainly to the upside, right? Landing BTC somewhere around that $120,000 to $130,000 mark by the fourth quarter of the year. That's what I think will happen. And the altcoins obviously will follow Bitcoin on the way up. Gradually, it's not going to be quick, but it'll be gradual over the course of the year, right? And that's how I see it playing out. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let's have a look at the Dixie. Dixie was doing some interesting things today. Check it out. Boom. Look at this. Spike up, crap back down, right? So let's look. I like to look at the 15. Look at that. Boom. Straight up, straight down. Love to see that. Rejection and nope. So yeah. Love to see it, guys. We need to see this continue to we need to see the DXY continue to dump. We need this Bart Simpson pattern. We need it to play out. We got a potential Bart Simpson on the 4 hours. See, we need to, if we can see a dump downwards, we're good to go here. So yeah. All right. What else do we got? Let's go back over here. I'm going to go back into the comments, guys, and see what you guys are, see what kind of smack you guys are talking. What kind of smack are you guys talking? All right. Laughing. Thanks, Future. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. That was the married thing, right? Get your Jasmy prenup. Facts. Let's talk H-Bar and the scammy BlackRock announcement. Just another reason why I don't trust H-Bar and their partnerships. Hey, man, I profited large off that. Facts. I knew. I told the people in the Patreon that night. I put a video out in the Patreon for everybody saying, hey, at 18 cents, I took like $6,000 profit off the table and then rolled that over into Swift, which helped me get my million in Swift. And then I started buying back into H-Bar when it plummeted back down to 11 cents because I knew that it was an indirect connection. And I told everybody in the Patreon about it. So I made a lot of money off of that. And a lot of people in the Patreon did too. So
Worked for me, brother. Worked for me. That's why research matters, though, right? That's a perfect example of why research matters. Or being a part of the Patreon matters, because you would have got a heads up on that, guys. You would have made some money. From being in this country, I'm thinking Jasmy is a great fit pick for my first bull run. Of course. Nacho, Helium Mobile looks very bullish. There was a video of this guy using the Solana phone and using the Helium network. Nice. Yeah, I'm bullish on Helium Mobile for sure. It is on my list to accumulate more, but right now it's not the top priority. Something else is. I'm 31. Been with my lady since I was 14. Got married at 20. Nice, very nice, man. Congratulations. Hong Kong's ETF goes live any day now, right? On the 30th, it goes live. On the 30th. Cryptonomy Finance was a staking platform, 28% APR on staked coins, no web bank. Wow. Scam. Dooku Coin and Solana will moon just like Jasmy will. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. What's up, everybody? Don't want to jinx it, but looks like we could be going more green than red soon. I don't know, man. I think we got a nice shakeout coming. Be ready. River's in the house. What's up, River? How you doing? W Jasmy, Latino hustler. Absolutely, man. Maniki coin? Maniki coin. What? EKI? Maniki. Sneaky Maniki in the house. Let's check it out over on CoinMarketCap. Maniki. $213 million market cap. Wow, it's a little higher than I was anticipating. Yeah, 100% of the supply in circulation. Tired. It's on Solana. That's a win. Cat-themed coins. Is this a meme coin? It's listed on the channel sponsor, LBank, MEXC, Radium. Is this a meme coin? Looks like a meme coin. Yeah, it's a meme coin. Interesting. Interesting. See what happens, right? That meme coin made my eye itch. Crypto Queen, what's up, man? Good to see you. Dooku coin is the next bonk coin. I have a feeling you want me to look at Dooku coin. Is that what you're asking me? Why isn't Hara mentioned lockup for coins and PDL? He only has mentioned Junction in the past month. Guys, everyone keeps asking me this. Like, listen, the PDL is already active on the Apple, guys. Like, it's already active. People keep asking, when's it going to be active? It's already active. What are you talking about? Right? You can go on there. You can use there's play to earn games on there for you to earn DD coins. You can participate in surveys and questionnaires to provide data right now. I don't know when the Android version's coming out, but I'm sure they're still working on some things, but it's already out there for Apple, guys. Got to start paying attention, right? On second thought, prenuptial might not be a bad idea. George opened mouth, insert foot. Did he? What did he say this time? Yeah, pumping Jasmy again. It pumped during your last stream and dipped when you shut down. Now bubbles green again. Yeah, we have that effect over here, guys. We have that effect on Jasmy. That Mankey Cat coin is good, crazy, nice. Preach, Rob, preach. This is the Jasmy Church. I'm about to testify. What's up with XRP? To use USDT as a stable coin, only in the state though. I don't know, man. I don't know. I've been seeing some things about it, but I haven't really had much time to look into it. So I might do a separate dedicated video to it, but you guys don't watch XRP videos. Usually they don't get any views. That's why I only make them, sporadically. By the way, though, I do have another Swift video coming out, so keep an eye out for that, guys. I'm up to 737,000 Jasmine. Hope I can get to 1 million. Nice. That is a win, man. That is a win. Crypto Queen, George was talking about his trip to Dubai flying first class. It's to avoid the peasants, he said. You know what? George seems like a male Karen, doesn't he? Doesn't he seem like a male Karen? I remember he did a video about a month and a half ago. It was one of those ones where he's walking in the rain or something. And he was complaining about his waitress. And he told the story. And even though he was in his version of the story where he was supposed to be the good guy, he still sounded like an asshole, right? He strikes me as like a male Karen. He's always complaining about something when it comes to service, right? I remember Crypto Queen, when he was flying out there, he did a video too. And he was complaining about the flight and the airports and stuff. That's all he does is complain about service and stuff like that, like all the time. He's a male Karen. We need to start calling him Karen, right? My queen is here. SHTF last night after finding out HBAR indeed partnered with BlackRock. Epic. So happy. Facts. One of the biggest lies in crypto, the second XRP wins a lawsuit, they will hit new all-time highs. I don't know if that's a lie, Facts, but listen, they won in last year in the bottom of a bear market. And you can go back. I was making videos about it, warning people. I think I put out a video about a week before the announcement. It was literally like a week before before XRP was labeled not a security on the secondary market. And in that video, I told everybody, I said, guys, we're in the bottom of a bear market here. XRP is not going to go to $10 when there's no liquidity in the market. It doesn't make any sense, right? Could it do it in a bull run? Yes, that could have happened. But in the bottom, that's why it didn't break all-time high, because it was in the bottom of a bear market and there was just no money in the market. I'm pretty sure we were just below $1 trillion market cap at the time as an asset class. So, I mean, I don't know where people were expecting this money to come from, this liquidity injection to start flowing into XRP out of nowhere, right? And so it didn't have anything to do with XRP as a project or, anything like that. In the case, nothing. I even said in the video, you can go back and watch from last year, I said the highest XRP will go is about 80 to 90 cents. And that's exactly where it went. I nailed that one. That's why I remember it so clearly, because I nailed it so closely. But the fact that it didn't go to all-time highs had nothing to do with XRP as a project or anything. There's no liquidity in the markets. There's no liquidity. Like I said, we had less than $1 trillion market cap at the time. What are you going to do, right? It was very, very bad timing for the lawsuit to come to an end there for that part of it. This bull run is going to last until 2025. I believe that too, Crypto Queen. I do believe that too. They hit 90 cents after being in a lawsuit for 3 years, more immediately dropping back down to 47 cents. Well, like I said, man, there's no liquidity in the market, bro. I mean, what do you want? No project out there. It doesn't matter what project it was. When the market cap of the entire asset class is a hair under $1 trillion, where's the money coming from to pump the project, right? Again, it's got nothing to do with the project. There's no money. There's no money, right? September makes sense. June, July, BTC should be taking off. Yeah. Well, I mean, like I said, if you look at past market cycles, right, every single one of them, the market starts to go parabolic. Q3 of this year is or Q4 of this year is where it should go. Another huge lie. They told you guys the second we get ETFs, Bitcoin will hit 100K plus days. You know what? I got to call you on that one, brother. I think that if Grayscale, you have to admit, man, if Grayscale was not dumping as much as they have been, Bitcoin would have at least hit 90K already. You have to admit that, dude. Like, there's reasons that things happen. We can't just take them out of context and use them as, you know what I'm saying? The fact that Grayscale's dumping like $360 million a day worth of BTC on the market for the last like 2.5, 3 months plays a huge factor in the fact that Bitcoin only got to like 73K, right? I would have, in my opinion, it would have broken 90 by now. Maybe not 100, but it definitely would have broken 90 in my opinion. I hope you're right, Rob. I need lower entries. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. XRP won't start breaking out until it starts getting more use. I expect October oct forward. We will see shine. It'll run just like everything else in the bull run. Absolutely. My target $7 to $13 in the bull run. I wish I knew about crypto a long time ago. 6 months into crypto, and glad I found a project like Jasmy. So much to look forward to in the coming years. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Bro Tato Chip getting in late today. No problem, Bro Tato. Broski, my bro Fasa. Not a problem, man. Mary, I'm late. XLM, SPL, always pumping, always talking XLM in the chat. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. We love XLM here. Make no mistake about it. Make no mistake about it. This is the bull run, and next isn't for 4 years. So we're not even close to blow off top right now. We're not even close to blow off top. That's not even going to come close until, like I said, the end of this year. So, I mean, the parabolic phase of this market, I don't know what some people are talking about. The parabolic part of this market's not even close to now. Not even close. Like I said, we're going to spend the next 6 months chopping in an upward trajectory on a slow and steady pace, guys. Probably, like I said, Bitcoin will be, Q4, maybe somewhere around 120K. That puts XRP probably somewhere around $1.15, $1.20. And then you hit the parabolic part, right? And we're going to run in the parabolic part of the bull run for about, 2 quarters of next year. Somewhere around the second quarter of next year is where it's probably going to come close to an end. So we're not even close. I don't know what the hell people are talking about. But why is XRP not $4 or something like that? Really, guys? Really? I mean, have you looked at the entire market right now? You know what I mean? It's like people are talking like the entire market's like Cardano is $1.50 right now or something. And, and like what are we talking about here? The whole market's not pumping. Why is everyone targeting XRP and saying it's not pumping? That's a little bit weird. How high will this coin go? Which coin you talking about, my friend? Well, Jasmy at 60 billion is $1.15 or something like that. Well, I mean, listen, you got to take into account the lockup and the PDL, right? Market cap doesn't have to be that high, man. Jasmy looking at 30 cents by the end of the year, dollar or more peak of the bull run. I think it'll be higher than 30 cents. We're going to have about 2 months of a parabolic beginning of this bull run before this year ends. So, I opened my company an account with BlackRock today and invested a lot. Spoke with one of the managers to get inside info. Buy Harvest and Ondo, BlackRock's favorite RWAs, Land, Relo, Mech, and Rio. Yeah, I'm very bullish on Ondo, guys. I talk about Ondo all the time. You too. What's up, man? XRP in all in, baby. Absolutely. Correction, mesh, not mech. Mesh, not mesh. Mesh. What's your computer setup? You got 8 screens? Me? No, I got 3. Pepe, yes. Pepe will do good in the bull run. It'll do good. Jasmy dipped back down when it felt abandoned. Yeah. When moon, Rob? There's a moon out right now where I am. You spending so much time on BTC news. Well, I mean, BTC affects the rest of the market, man. It affects the rest of the market. Any news on the lockup? Not yet, my friend. Not yet. Good evening, Rob. Did you look into Volt Inu yet? Because the last time I asked you about it, I did a little bit. I sent a message over to a buddy of mine who's actually deep in the project, and I'm waiting for him to get back to me on some stuff. So, Death Bank, come on, guys. Come on. Let's freaking go, baby. Exactly. Let's go. What else do we got going on, guys? Just give me a second here. Yeah, guys, if you're new, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, guys. Help us out. Help us grow. Let's get it. Let's get it. The humor of the chat is unmatched, top notch. Mankey Coin launched a few days ago. Yeah, we looked at Mankey Coin already. What's up, late? Kevin, what's up, buddy? Thomas in the house. What's going on, man? What's going on? He's 100% a male Karen. He's not a humble man human. No, he's not. You know what? It's sad because I did see some of his videos from when he first started years ago, and he seemed like a decent guy, and he's turned into a complete dick, right? So I guess that's kind of what arrogance does to people. I don't know, man. So, like, I used to watch George all the time a few years ago, all the time, daily. I liked him because he used to always stand up against FUD. He'd always have something to say about people who spread FUD. He'd always be like, you shouldn't spread FUD in the market. I'm against spreading FUD. And now that's all he does is spread FUD. As soon as he started spreading FUD about projects, I couldn't watch him anymore. I lost all respect for the guy, right? He FUDs XRP. He FUDs, like, again today too. I was watching him in the background, and I don't mean to focus on George or anything, but this really irks me. It irks me, right? When, as a content creator, somebody sent him a super chat today and asked him to look at a project, and his direct response was, thanks for the super chat, but I'm not looking at that project for you. Bro, that's fucked up, man. They sent you money to get you to look at a project. You're literally doing an AMA. They sent you money to look at a project, and you straight up took their money and said, no, I'm not going to look at the project. That's fucked up, right? That's why I don't like George. He does that all the time to people. I don't know why people send him super chats, because he does that all the time, right? I would never do that to you guys. I would never, if one of you guys sent me a super chat and said, hey, Rob, could you look at this project? I would never say thanks for the super chat, but go fuck yourself, right? I would never do that. That's the biggest dick move anybody could do, right? Like, I don't know. Harvest will max their all-time high at 30,000 by the dip. Harvest, isn't that farm? We're talking about farm? Yeah, Harvest Finance, right? Their all-time high was $5,000. $5,000 was their all-time high. Holy shit. $5,078. Crazy. Wow, yeah, their tokenomics are great. Sheesh. Should buy a couple of these. I should buy a couple of these while they're $87. If this gets back to freaking $5,000 a coin, holy crap. That would be a fantastic buy. I hope we get this crash. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. BlackRock bought over 1,000 Bitcoin today. Nice. Nice. You think the ETFs are bad for crypto? No, I don't. In the long term, maybe. But listen, guys, if you're in crypto, you should be thinking, I don't know, six years is where you should be thinking, right? Because you have this blow off top, this bull run coming, and then you have the next one in 2029. If you have not made life-changing wealth between this bull run and the next 4-year cycle, you're doing crypto wrong, right? You've got 2 bull runs to get it right. And by that time, you should have your life-changing wealth, and you should be out of the market anyway. So who gives a crap what they're doing at that point, right?
I'll be gone after 2030. I'll be gone. I might still run the channel, but I'll probably not be investing much in crypto. I'll probably dabble, but like not heavy anymore, because the incumbents will have the tight grip on it by then, right? That Black Swan event in the Middle East to happen. Unfortunately, it's just stuff can't predict. Yeah. Hey Rob, how many holders do we have for Jasmy right now? Something like 68,000, I think 68,000. But the number is actually higher than that because they're only including wallets like Binance and stuff like that. All the major exchanges, they're only including them as one wallet. But that's actually the accumulation of like thousands of people holding Jasmy on the exchange, and it only comes into one wallet, so it only counts as one holder. So there's probably actually a couple of 100,000 holders realistically. Good morning, guys. Truck driving from Holland just bought 300,000 coins of Jasmy. It's payday today. Nice. Congratulations. Market's crashing, waiting for my salary to buy Jasmy. Only a few more days. 100%. Looking at the overlays, Jasmy and BTC are conjoined twins. Makes sense to talk about it. Yeah, exactly. 73 watching, only 40 likes. What the? Hit it, y'all. I agree. What's the matter for you? What's the matter for you? Huh? Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, guys. More importantly, smash it, whack it, crack it. You know what to do. You know what to do. Emmanuel, what's up, man? Good to see you, buddy. Where you been? What's up, Rob? Have you heard anything about Jasmy burns? No one seems to be talking about that. It's it's the carbon credits that are going to be burned, not the Jasmy coins, my friend. That's what Hara ended up saying. So we have to hyper focus on the lockups is where our attention is going to be. George and Bitboy were once good friends. Those of a feather. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. If Super Chat for America online, you best get to step in. Like the smash button, guys. Exactly. Like that smash button, guys. Big shout out, guys, to everyone who's been joining the Patreon. Very, very much appreciated. I put some great content over on the Patreon today, guys. I did my portfolio reveal and stuff like that. You guys want to check that out, man. I'm telling you, okay? Let's check out the rainbow chart. All right, what's going on here? Check out the rainbow chart, guys. We're still in the buy zone on the rainbow chart, guys. You should still be accumulating. Still that time. What else? A little bit of excitement from Wagami. Very bullish on Wagami, guys. The world is primed and ready for a new story with unique characters. Our first mobile title, Wagami Defense, has been gaining a lot of traction during closed beta. And we know once our community sees the anime trailer May 1st, the excitement will be hard to contain. This is another project I really want to get in on, guys. I don't have an entry point yet, but I really, really do want to get in on it. Still such a nice low market cap. This one's going to be good, in my opinion. Only a $25 million market cap, guys. Going to be good. I wish it was over on LBank. It'd be easy to get. So got to get it on Uniswap, Gate.io, Bitmart, MEXC, Bitfinex, BitGet, XC.com. Yeah, so very bullish on that one, man. Very bullish on that one. So Steph is Crypto thinks that we're about to see a leg up on BTC. He thinks we're going to see a $105,000 Bitcoin out of this bull flag on the 3-day chart. I disagree. I think we're going to see 59K, guys. I just, I could be wrong. I'm not saying it's 100% guaranteed. I disagree, though. I think we're going down before we go up.
And the reason I talk about BTC is because if Bitcoin crashes down to 59, Jasmy's going to have a good buy-in point. Speaking of Jasmy on the one-day chart, he says right now is the worst time to sell your Jasmy coins. Whenever this accumulation phase ends, we will see a huge rally upwards. I agree, 7 cents, but we got to go down before we go up, right? Got to get up to get down, just like Coolio says, man. Just like Coolio says. So yeah, that is the news that I have for you guys tonight. Anything else you guys want me to have a gander at? I'm going to once again, I'm going to throw the Patreon link into the chat, so check that out, guys. And then also, if you want to become a member of the channel, click the link for that as well. Got my tickets to the live comedy show. What's up, man? Your name is so freaking long. Morning, Rob. Bought the dip on XCN yesterday, up over 1.3 million. Now 2 million is a target. Nice. That is a win, man. That is a win. Bitcoin will go down from what I see, 59K. Then it might go up to 72. It's too early to tell. I agree, Crypto Queen. That's what I've been saying. I think we're going to see 59K first, right? And people don't want to hear it, but I would say make sure you're ready with dry powder on the side. And I know right now that we're going to go down there, and then people are going to be telling me, I wish I had some dry powder. I wish I was ready. You know, I'm telling you right now, guys, I'm telling you, be ready, right? Be ready to take advantage of the situation. We only need 16 subs to get to 4,600, guys. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed to the channel, do us a solid and hit that subscribe button. It would be greatly, greatly appreciated. So yeah, well, guys, that is the news that I have for you guys this evening. I got some good videos coming out, guys. Some good content. I got Swift Coin price prediction video coming out over the next day or two. I got lots of stuff, guys. Lots of stuff coming out. I got another ASI token video coming out. Lots of stuff, guys. Lots of Jasmy content coming out. Very, very exciting, guys. What's the name of the game project again? WAGMI. WAGMI. What are we doing here? Come on. Could you show us the Harvest Coin Crypto Queen was talking about? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely I can, man. For you, Cameron, I got you, homie. I got you. Ticker is FARM. Harvest Finance. Ticker is FARM. Fantastic tokenomics, my brother. Low market cap, 57, almost 57.5 million. Yeah, I'm probably gonna pick some of this up. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm probably gonna pick a couple up because why the hell not, right? Why the hell not? If it can get back up to even 3 or 4 grand, all-time high was in the last bull run $5,078. So if it can get even close to that, it would be fantastic. So yeah, I'm gonna stock up on some farm for sure. Probably over on BitTrue. Yeah, probably over on BitTrue. I like BitTrue. One of my favorite exchanges. Yeah, we're gonna get some farm, guys. Gonna get some farm. These price prediction videos are awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. When Jazz drops to zero, Rob needs to break out Canadian tuxedo. Nice. Stochastic RSI and BTC has momentum on the downside on the weekly. Yes, that's what I've been saying, man. Why do you like farm? Well, I mean, you know, it's a yield it's a DeFi play, right? Yield farming, first of all. It's been around for a while. Tokenomics are fantastic. Low market cap. Like, look at the tokenomics on this motherfucker, right? Fantastic. Yeah. Good utility. I'm taking a flyer on it, man. I'm taking a flyer on it. Have you seen the Yoshi meme coin? I think
I have checked it out. I have not seen it. I actually, you know what? I saw somebody post something about it on X, but I haven't looked into it though. It's probably not on. You got Yoshi Exchange, but that's not it. It's probably not on CoinMarketCap or anything. Yoshi. Oh, there it is. Yoshi Inu. Nope. Nope. Nothing. What about Dex Tools? Let's check out Dex Tools again. Yoshi. No. Nothing. My name is actually James. That's a little easier to say. I try my best not to take life too seriously. That's why I came up with that name. Nice, man. Nice. Farm is one of the BlackRock's harvest assets. Nice. Yes, exactly. BlackRock gets involved. So do I. I put my pennies where they put their dollars, man. Have you seen Safe? It just came out. Safe? Safe coin? There's like there's 3 different safes, my friend. Which one are we talking about? See, I got 3 of them here. Safe coin, safe, and safe. And I don't even know. There's 4. If we're going with safe coin, all-time high was 3 months ago. I don't know. Am I looking at the right one here? Safe coin. Isaac with the membership. Awesome, brother. Awesome. Did you upgrade? Is that what that was? Was that an upgrade to the Patreon level? Yes, it is. Awesome, man. Check out my portfolio video, brother. I put it out today, man. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. And thanks for upgrading your membership. Absolutely amazing, brother. Absolutely amazing. Safe is good too. It's green. Nice. Yeah. Is Vera coin any good? Vera, what are we talking about here? I think I've looked at Vera before. Are you talking about Vera Network? Are you talking about Equilibre? There's 2. I assume you're talking about Vera Network. Almost a $49 million market cap. All-time high 7 months ago, 19 cents. It's on Coinbase and Gate.io. What do they do? What do they do? That's what I want to know. Ultra fast and scalable. Oh, they're a layer 1. Okay. They're a layer 1. I do like my layer 1s, but I do also not know what the max supply is here. So that bothers me. Yeah, I don't see a max supply here. The market cap's reasonably low. If the max supply matches the total supply, you're looking about I mean, that's not a fantastic amount in circulation. I don't like the tokenomics on it, to be honest with you. But everything else seems okay with it. But I probably wouldn't. I don't know. I probably wouldn't get into it just because of the tokenomics on it. It's a fantastic investment, according to Crypto Queen. When the market dumps, Vera is always stable. Vera on Coinbase is the wrong one. Interesting. Yeah. No. Don't buy safe yet. It's up 45%. Yeah, wait for a pullback on that mofo for sure. For sure. Oh, for sure. All right. What else do we got? Oh, we only need 15 more subscribers to get to
to get to 4,600, guys. Let's push it up. You gotta pump it up. Vera's on Coinbase. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. Yeah, it says here it's on Coinbase, right? Yeah, right here. Coinbase and Gate.io. So, absolutely. Absolutely it is, man. It is. Jasmy 18.5. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. For me, like I said, I think that we're going to see a leg down, 59K. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I'll tell you right now, I'd rather have money on the side and it not happen than to have it happen and not have money on the side, right? Got to be ready, guys. Got to be ready to take advantage. So yeah. Make sure you got dry powder on the side, guys, because if Bitcoin drops to 59K, that's a pretty good dip. Alts are going to dip probably 30-40% if that happens, right? Minimum. So you could get some good entry points or some good top off points on your altcoins if we see that happen. So make sure that you're ready, whether it's Jasmy, XCN, Swift coin, whatever it is, I got Vera and Velo mixed in my head. Yeah. Good old Velodrome. So yeah, guys, again, so I'm probably going to get out of here, go watch a movie, but make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button for sure. Help us grow. Be greatly appreciated. Join the Patreon, guys. Join the member side. Click the join button to become a member. We have our members only live stream happening this Sunday. Every Sunday we do them at 1:30 p.m. Central. So make sure you guys smash that join button to become a member of that. You don't want to miss it, guys. If you need help with your portfolio structure, your exit strategies, or your profit taking, you're going to want to be a part of those, guys. So hit the join button for that. And also, guys, a lot of exclusive content over on the Patreon. A lot of people asked me to make it, so I made it. Thank you to everybody who's joined over on the Patreon as well. Fantastic, guys. Much, much appreciated. So definitely jump over there, guys. You're going to want to see that. And yeah, that's what all I got for you guys tonight. So thank you so much as always, guys. You guys are greatly appreciated. And if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would suck. This community would suck. So thank you guys, every single one of you. Zach, where you been, brother? Holy smokes. Good to see you, man. Must been working. Must be working. I guess my streams are in the middle of the night for you, eh? Good to see you though, brother. Good to see you, man. Welcome in, man. Not great timing. I'm about to take off, but you can watch the replay. Good to see you though, buddy. Good to see you, man. Shane, you're the man. Good night, everyone. Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. All right, guys. I'll see you for tomorrow morning's live stream, and enjoy the videos that are coming out. Yeah, there's a Swift price prediction video coming out. There's an ASI token video coming out. All kinds of updates, guys. So check those out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.